America's major cities are slowly sinking, not just the ones near the coasts, but even those deep inland. A new study has revealed that 28 of the most populated U.S. cities are experiencing some level of sinking. This phenomenon is called land subsidence, and for the first time, data has been mapped in such detail that elevation changes have been tracked every 90 feet. What's most surprising is that some areas in a city are sinking, while others nearby are actually rising. These uneven movements can pose serious risks to buildings and infrastructure. According to the report, Houston is sinking the fastest, with over 40% of the city subsiding at a rate of 5 millimeters or more per year. In some spots, land is sinking by as much as 2 inches annually. Fort Worth and Dallas aren't far behind. Parts of New York's LaGuardia Airport, Las Vegas, Washington, D.C., and San Francisco are also subsiding rapidly. The research also highlights that one of the main causes of land subsidence is groundwater extraction. When water is pumped out of underground aquifers and not naturally replenished, the ground above begins to compress and sink. In Texas, oil and gas pumping has made the problem even worse. In some cities, natural forces are also contributing. For example, around 20,000 years ago, massive glaciers once covered parts of North America. Now that those glaciers have melted, the land is slowly sinking in areas like New York, Philadelphia, Denver, and Chicago. Another shocking discovery: buildings themselves are adding to the problem. The pressure from over 1 million buildings in New York City is contributing to the ongoing subsidence. One of the most dangerous aspects is what's called differential motion, when one part of the ground is sinking while a nearby area is rising. This creates uneven stress on foundations, causes buildings to tilt, and makes structures unstable. And perhaps the most alarming part of all, experts still don't have a clear solution.